Hello, this is Diego Custode. I am recording for this week 11. This assignment is about the ASP.NET Core Web API. So I follow the instruction to create this API. So we will test this API, and this is our my code, and I'm running this application platform 5.0. So when we run this application, I show you the software UI. So here we have get, and we execute what we have in the database. And something I need to say is we need to run before start. We need to run MongoD, and after that we need to run just Mongo to stay inside the database. So this is some test I did. I'll show you what we have at the moment in the database. We have 2 books, and we will try to enter other books in the database. So what we can see in this app, we have 2 books as well, and with the option post, we enter new book. So the ID key is not automatically, but we need to create ID with the hexadecimal code. So I take one from the tutorial, and I will create and modify some number here. So we have a new code. The book, training covenants and price, maybe. Okay, category religious, and author Amon Susasme. Okay, so execute, and this is successful. And at the moment we will check here if the new book is done. So we have the new books in the database. We will check in the database as well, and we have the database, the new book here. The other thing we can do is delete. So we can delete this book again. Execute. This is successful, and we'll try again to update this. So, oops, what happened? No. And here, what happened? I modify the ID is not recognized. For the reason is don't delete. Alright, so now it's successful. We will try again here. So at the moment it's just 2 books. The database as well. So it's 2 books. It's working. Thank you for watching. See you next.